Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the clipboard history on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm just in my messages, and let's say I copied something, this thanks for instance, and I press and hold and tap on the copy button up here. But I wanted to go in and find that clipboard and delete out all the history. To be able to do that, you can see automatically if I bring up the keyboard and I just copied something, it usually pops up right here. And I can either tap on it to paste or hit the X. However, I need to get to my clipboard. To be able to do that, you can tap on those three dots to find it on here, or it might automatically be there. It's that little clipboard icon. Just tap on that. Now, within here, we need to do a couple of things. We're going to tap on the trash can icon. And then we're going to choose all and then delete and then delete. Now, this might make you think that all of that clipboard history is deleted, but it is not exactly. Because if I go back in here and I press and hit paste, it still has that thanks that I just copied. So even though I've deleted everything, it still has a memory of what's in that clipboard. So I would recommend after doing all of that, what you're going to do is just type in something random like hi. You're going to hit select and then you're going to hit copy. And this will override the basically thing that you just copied. And now everything will be removed and you've kind of replaced the most recent copy with just something random that you have copied. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.